Hey guys, welcome to Pax Cooks. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Melonade Delight, your new favorite refreshing drink. It's super easy. Let's get to it. So all you're going to need for this recipe is 1/2 cup of watermelon juice. What I have here is a watermelon drink that I got at Hy-Vee. So we'll be using that. Then you're gonna need 2 tablespoons sweet condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and some ice cubes. Keep in mind though, this is only a recipe for one drink. Alright, I got my ice cubes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab got 1/2 cup of watermelon juice. Make sure it's tight. So got 2 tablespoons in here. This probably isn't the best way of measuring it, but that's what I'm going to use for now. Two tablespoons again. We're gonna blend until the ice cubes are no longer in big chunks. Once they're not in big chunks, we have our beverage. So good. It's not too sweet. It's not too lemony. It's not too watermelony. It's a perfect refreshing drink. See you next time.